Let us talk about the Satvahana kingdom. So now we are talking about the time when the Mauryan Empire had disintegrated. So when the Mauryan Empire disintegrated, it left behind a very large empire, a large swath of land. So the northern borders, it was captured by some people. Okay, the Central Asians, they saw their chance and they pounced upon it. Then the in the center, in the area of Patliputra, you had the Shungs, the Shungas, who basically killed Pushyamitra Shunga जो है, he killed the last Mauryan emperor Brihadat. And after that what happens is that कि देखिए जब एक बड़ा behemoth गिरता है जैसे यूएसएसआर गिरा था, when USSR collapsed, 15 different republics came out of it. In the similar manner, when Magad or the Mauryan Empire collapsed, different kingdoms, it came out. Many provincial leaders, they saw their opportunity. उन्होंने देखा कि अच्छा पाटलिपुत्र हैज बिकम वीक, पाटलिपुत्र इज वीक, सो नाउ इट इज आवर चांस टू assert autonomy. It is our chance. It is our chance to assert independence. So a lot many people, they, okay, they got their independence. A lot many tribal leaders who were in the forests, they got to know that Patliputra has fallen. The great Mauryan Empire has fallen on its head. Now it is our chance to take the spoils. और उसी के चक्कर में बहुत सारे किंगडम्स बाहर आए, और एक किंगडम जो था वो आपका later on that became very prominent. It was the Satvahana kingdom, and these people, they used to call themselves the lord of the Dakshinapath, that I am the lord of the Dakshin Path. Uttara Path और दक्षिण पथ, these were the two major trade routes. और दक्षिण पथ क्या था? साउथ का रूट, डेक्कन का रूट, ओके, दक्खन जिसको कहते हैं. So they were primarily around the Krishna Godavari river valley. Okay, these Satvahanas, these they were in the Krishna Godavari river valley, and they are often associated with Pratishthan or Paithan. So Paithan किस महाजनपद का कैपिटल था? सदर्न मोस्ट, याद है? पैठान जो है वो कैपिटल जो था किस किस महाजनपद का था? अस्माका और असाका. बहुत बढ़िया, असाका और अस्माका का था. तो पैठान जो है, इट वाज ऑन अ वेरी गुड रूट. It was on a very prominent trading route, and it connected the Deccan areas. And that is why these areas, it became prominent. And although Asaka or Asmaka, it collapsed, it did not collapse as such, as it basically got merged into the Mauryan Empire. But Pratishthan or Paithan, this city, it continued to be an important city in the south. And by city, I don't mean, Hyderabad or Delhi scale of city. City was basically a very, you can say that it was a elaborate village. उस समय का स्केल मैंने फिर बताया आपको, पॉपुलेशन थी नहीं, पॉपुलेशन थी नहीं. इट वॉज अ वेरी स्मॉल, नॉट इवन बड़ौदा. ओके, सिटीज होते क्या थे बेसिकली? एक आपका किंग का छोटा सा कैसल होता था, एंड बाकी जो है कुछ आपके दो विलेज के बराबर माने, दो तीन गांव के बराबर आपका एक सिटी उस समय का. आज का मॉडर्न 2-3 विलेजेस वेयर द सिटीज ऑफ दोस टाइम. ओके, देन in the Purans, they are referred to as Andhras and the Andhra Bhrityas. So Andhra Pradesh, very prominent history. Okay, they have a very prominent place in the history of Andhra Pradesh. And founding Simuka. So who was the founder? The founder's name was सिमुका. देन द मेजर रूलर्स में आप देखिएगा, सो सिमुका वाज ऑब्वियसली द फाउंडर. एंड देन ही, होता क्या था, देखिए सिमुका के बाद 3 4 5 किंग्स आए. दे यूज टू हैव अ वेरी शॉर्ट लाइफ स्पैन. ओके, किसी का समबडी हैड अ स्मॉल एक्सीडेंट, टेटनस हो गया, उसी में मौत हो गई, समथिंग लाइक दैट. तो किंग्स यूज टू गो वेरी क्विकली. And then what happened was one king used to come who managed to live for 30 40 years. And then and then you had things which was very stable. So blessed were those dynasties, blessed were those empires whose kings had a long life. There were king who had 50 years of reign, and during those times 50 years meant that it was a stabilizing force. So then Satkarni one jo hai, he proved to be the stabilizing force for the Satavahanas, and he was the early conquerors. He expanded territory to parts of western and central India, and he had possible conflict with the Sakas or the western Kshatraps. Then you had the most important monarch, the most important Satvahana monarch. His name was Gautami Putra Satkarni, and he is regarded as the most illustrious monarch. He subdued the Sakas, the Yavanas, and the Pahlavas. तो ये कहां से थे? साकाज, यावनास, पहलवास. दीज वेर द नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न थ्रेट. अफगानिस्तान, सेंट्रल एशिया के तरफ से आने वाले थ्रेट थे. देन यू हैव वशिष्ठी पुत्र पुलुमावी. He was the successor of Gautami Putra, and he continued the Satvahana dominance. Then you have Yagna Satkarni. Yagna Satkarni, he believed to be among the later prominent rulers, and he managed to hold on to the core Satvahana territory. तो यहाँ देखिए सातवाहना टेरिटरी जो है, ये पूरा रीजन था. स्टार्ट इन्होंने यहां से किया, पैठान और ये वाला एरिया. उसके बाद जो है अपने आप को बढ़ाया. एंड थ्रेट्स जो आए थे, कहां से आए थे थ्रेट्स? थ्रेट्स आए थे नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न बॉर्डर से. ओके, नो नो, पर्शियंस वाले थे. बाद में एक पहलवी डायनेस्टी भी हुई थी, विच वॉज द लास्ट मोनार्क डायनेस्टी टू रूल ईरान. ओके, सो इधर से जो थ्रेट्स आए थे उनको सातवाहानाज ने क्या किया? न्यूट्रलाइज किया. एंड दे वेर एबल मैनेज टू होल्ड ऑन टू दिस रीजन. ओके, ठीक है. नॉट एग्जैक्टली. अब मैं बात करता हूं रिलीजन पे, हम बात करेंगे. एक बार एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन देख लेते हैं. सो दीज वेर रूल्ड बाय अ किंग हु ऑफन यूज टाइटल्स लाइक राजन और राजा. Provincial governor. So kingdom was divided into various aharas. Aharas were what? These are important. Aharas were the district or territorial unit. Okay. Then many kings जो हैं, they had matrilineal elements. इसमें गौतमी पुत्र सतकर्णी. देन यू हैव वशिष्ठी पुत्र. तो गौतमी पुत्र सतकर्णी की मदर का नाम क्या था? यहीं से पता लगा सकता है. यू कैन नो फ्रॉम हेयर ओनली. व्हाट वाज हिज नेम? गौतमी बालाश्री. So do you think history repeats itself in some manner? If you have been following the politics of Maharashtra, do you think that this history has repeated? The Satvahanas have made a comeback. Why? Because all the politicians, okay, all the politicians, they have now their mother's name. And you read history and you are so enamored by it that how history repeats itself. Why Maharashtra? Why only in Maharashtra? Why not in Bihar or in other places? Why in Maharashtra they included their mother? And you look at the Satvahana map. Where was the main city? It was प्रतिष्ठान। ओके, हिस्ट्री रिपीट्स इटसेल्फ माय फ्रेंड। इसीलिए हिस्ट्री पढ़ना क्यों जरूरी है? नॉट टू नो अबाउट फैक्ट एंड बिकम अ नर्ड। एवरीबडी शुड नो हिस्ट्री सो दैट दे डोंट रिपीट इट, or repeat it if it is beneficial. Don't repeat if there was a mistake, and repeat it. Okay. तो ये चीज देखिए, प्रतिष्ठान is was a major center in Maharashtra, and today again the Satvahana tradition of having their mother's name is back in Maharashtra politics. ठीक है, ओके। अग्रेरियन प्रॉस्पेरिटी जो था रिवर वैलीज में था, एंड देयर वाज सम ट्रेड विथ रोमन टेरिटरीज एज वेल। पोर्ट्स जो थे, ऑब्वियसली पोर्ट्स वेयर इंपॉर्टेंट। सो इफ यू विल सी हियर, कौन कौन से इंपॉर्टेंट एरियाज थे? वनवासी, अमरावती। अमरावती वाज अ मेजर बुद्धिस्ट सेंटर। पैठान और प्रतिष्ठान। यू हैव सांची एंड उज्जैनी, एंड ऑफ कोर्स गिरिनगर। दिस इज ए PYQ, and this Vanvasi is also important. Now let us talk about the economy. So fertile था बिल्कुल. There is evidence of commercial trade and lead coins. So these people, they were known for lead coin. अभी भी gold coin was not very common. You saw in the Mauryan Empire, we had uh, copper coins, we had coins of silver, but gold was lacking. Gold became commonplace after the Kushanas. Okay, after the Kushan dynasty, it became a commonplace. रिलीजन क्या था? तो देखिए, ये उतने रैबिड बुद्धिस्ट नहीं थे जितना अशोक था। ओके, दे वेर नॉट वेरी zealous Buddhists as Ashok was, and these people, they supported Buddhism and Brahmanism and local cults, and they donated to the Buddhist viharas and chaityas. Okay, so यहाँ पर कहाँ पर है? Cave complexes. Why cave? I told you, because Buddhists, they need meditation. Okay, so नासिक एंड करले, तो कारले केव्स जो है आपका, अगर आपको याद होगा, करले चैत्य और कारले केव्स। ओके, देन यू हैव अमरावती स्तूप। तो ये basically they contributed. So there were a group of people whose name was Gandhikas, and these people were what? These people were perfume sellers. Gandhikas जो है, these were perfume sellers. Okay, so Gandhikas basically, they donated, they were present during the time of the Satvahanas, and they donated for the building of stupas. Okay, परफ्यूम ट्रेडर्स थे, याद रखिएगा दोस्त। परफ्यूम क्या थे? ट्रेडर्स थे। ओके, व्हाई डिड दे डोनेट? दिस वाज अगेन पॉलिटिक्स. द सेम रीजन द वैश्यास, they converted to Jainism, because they were not being accepted by the Brahmins into the fold. They were kept below. Okay, since the Varna Vyavastha had solidified. So Gandhikas jo the, it was basically a political ploy that if I will donate, my status will rise. आज की डेट में भी होता है ना, somebody who earns money, he starts a bhandara. Especially I have seen in Delhi, some people, if they had a good season of selling their goods, businessmen, they start bhandara. Okay, so ये जो है गंधिकास बेसिकली, यस। सो Prakrit was the administrative and the court language, and inscriptions are typically Prakrit. Yes, Prakrit. Even in South, Prakrit language was used. देखिए, तेलुगु लैंग्वेज जो है, इट डेवलप्ड लेटर ऑन, मलयालम इवन लेटर, कन्नड़ लैंग्वेज जो है, दैट ऑल्सो लेटर डेवलप्ड. दिस इज समथिंग विच हैपेंड आफ्टर द 6th century, the 7th century. एंड आज जो मॉडर्न कन्नड़ एंड मलयालम and all these things, that all the languages that you speak in the south, they reached their final form in the 15th and 16th century. Tamils were old. Tamil was an old language. तमिल हमेशा से एक पुरानी लैंग्वेज रही है. Okay, what the facts are facts. Okay, entire subcontinent spoke a variation of Prakrit. That is true. Somebody was asking about Sheela Vahan. Somebody was asking. कोई था क्या आप में से जो पूछ रहा था about yeah. Anyways, yes. Shali Vahan. Huh? Correct. So that he was also a Satvahana king. Satvahana king के बारे हाँ, he was also a Satvahana king. What I've heard about him, and he, I think it's not clear. It's not clear whether he was a Saka king or whether he was a Satvahana king. Okay, ठीक है. All right. Yes, you can say that all the areas in the Mauryan Empire spoke Prakrit. Literary contribution. Gatha Saptasati, also called as Gatha Satasai, was written by a Satvahana king Hala in the Prakrit language. प्रकृत लैंग्वेज में गाथ सप्तशती जो है इसको लिखा गया. इंस्क्रिप्शंस एंड एविडेंस की हम बात करें तो यू हैव द नाने घाट इंस्क्रिप्शन. ओके, एंड देन यू हैव द नासिक केव्स एंड द कार्ले केव इंस्क्रिप्शंस. एक नासिक इंस्क्रिप्शन कौन है? गौतमी बालाश्री. And Gautami Balashri mentions the achievements of her son Gautami Putra Satkarni in the Nasik inscription, and she tells that, oh people, look how great my son is. जैसे आंटी लोग नहीं करती कि मेरा बेटा तो गूगल में काम कर रहा है. My son is working in Google. My son has cracked the mains paper. He's giving the interview. है ना? Your neighbor auntie does that. So every mother is same. Every mother is same. And Nasik inscription जो है, it was written by Gautami Balashri, commissioned by Gautami Balashri, and it mentions the achievements of her son Gautami Putra Satkarni. Many Satvahana coins bear legends like Ahra Naku or the king's name in the Brahmi script. So Satvahanas also had lead coins. ये याद रखिएगा. ठीक है. Yes. Okay. So any doubt in Satvahana? Later on, they started fragmenting around the mid 3rd century, and the rise of Western Kshatraps and the Ikshvakus. So these are not the Ikshvaku dynasties that you talk about in Ramayana. Ikshvakus were basically a group of tribe who lived in the Andhra Odisha border. And when they saw that the Satvahanas are shaking, the Satvahana kingdom is shaking, they carved a kingdom for themselves in the Andhra Odisha border. Okay. All right.